embrace the power of evaluation, recognizing it that it is not a judgment, it is a catalyst for positive transformation. And now I would like to invite Toastmaster Vaishali to evaluate the speech of Toastmaster Mohit. Don't say good job.
So, starting with the good things about Mohit's speech. So, Mohit, you have an excellent writing. You actually own the stage, and by the variation in the pitch, you actually keep the audience engaged. So, I was seeing, people were actually invested in your speech throughout. A very good usage of the questions. You were interacting with the audience and taking their responses. So that's an excellent way of keeping the audience engaged. And the best thing that I liked about it was the end quote. So instead of just saying the quote, you got it written on the paper. So I think that was very, very impactful way of ending your speech. Now coming on to the feedback. So the first thing that I noticed was that when you came on the stage, you were rolling your sleeves. So I thought that that was part of the speech, but it was not. So it was a little distracting. Now coming to the content. So I felt that the content was very Toastmaster specific, whereas in the audience we have a mix of Toastmaster members and some guests for whom it could have been a little confusing. So apart from keeping it the Toastmaster specific, if you have dwelt on some of your experiences from your life or kept it so that they could also understand, or maybe sort of established more as to what the timer does for everyone's reference, I think that would have created some more impact. And one more thing was when people were giving you feedbacks, when you were asking questions, I think thanking them or acknowledging them was somewhere missing. If you can keep these things in mind, I think you can just take up your already established speech to an extent. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vaishali, for giving your CRC feedback. I can say that you have also given some recommendations. You have praised some of the activities which he has done, and then you have also given some recommendations. So I would say that when he was giving his speech, I was remembering the Gilari of Sri Rama. When he was making Setu, that there are always there's some opportunities where we can contribute, and there are some opportunities where you can take part and become a gallery. Then we can, that can be recognized by the people and the society, and then you can also bring the confidence. The opportunities are there, and you rightly said the magic you are looking for is there in the what you are avoiding. Avoiding, right? You are avoiding.
The magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding.
The work you are avoiding, right? So good. It was a very intriguing message. Which we have to look into ourselves, that how to use this kind of learnings outside the world when we are not in Toastmasters club. Now I would like